So today we've been on the road for 3 long weeks.
Actually seems short.
It is short. Let's do the number. So today we've been on the road for 3 short weeks.
Actually seems long.
Take 3. So today we've been on the road for 3 weeks.
Actually seems like short weeks.
That turned into long weeks. How many miles have we traveled?
4,162.
That's longer than the United States of America. That's like crossing the whole United States of America and then some.
Yeah. And it took us 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Well, we took our time, but it's been fun. Hey, it's so beautiful out today. It's the most beautiful day we've had so far, so let's look at the views, shall we? Let's do it. Just washed off over 4,000 miles of grime and scrubbed the heck out of this, and it's still dirty. I mean, it's still dirty. But it was filthy, so we'll give it a good bath when we get home. Guess we'll live with the dirt for a while. We're gonna have lunch at Miller's Landing and meet Susan, the lady where we're staying. Oh my gosh, this view is amazing.
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Our lunch for the day. And this is our view. Life is good. Life is good in Alaska. So what do you think of your lunch? I know.
It's fresh.
I feel the same way. Yummy stuff.
Good scenery too.
Definitely. Sea otters out there playing.
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
We're going to go on a little bit of a hike right now. About 1.5 miles or so. Nothing too strenuous. Let's go. Riker likes that little lake. Does that feel good? That was a good hike, a little over 4 miles. Saw some pretty country, went down to the beach. The mountains were gorgeous.
Weather superb.
Couldn't ask for a better day and a better way to burn off fish and chips. Oh, and check it out. One of the cruise ships is leaving to destinations unknown. What a view. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. It would really mean a lot to us. And in the meantime, happy trails.